Hello and welcome to Sam Online Class. This is Dr. Subrat Kumar Mohanty. Friends, time is what life is made of. Whether you play, eat, study or sleep, time moves on. You cannot store up time, you can only make the best use of it. Therefore, time is precious. Friends, today's video will explain the significance of 1 minute by mentioning some of the very important events that occur at the micro level, that is within the human body, and also at the macro level, that is the universe, in 1 minute. In a minute, the earth, which is about 1000 trillion metric tons, travel about 1775 km in its orbit around the sun. This happens in 1 minute. Photons of light from sun blaze about 18 million kilometers through space. Photons are the light particles that carry the electromagnetic force. Human heart contracts about 75 times within 1 minute. Within same 1 minute, it pumps about 4.5 liters of blood through blood vessels. Blood vessels are channels that carry blood throughout your body. They forms a closed loop that begins and ends at our heart. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, whereas veins carry blood back toward the heart. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. In 1 minute, 35,000 billion red blood cells, 50 billion white blood cells, and 1500 billion platelets travels through about 40,000 million individual arteries, veins, and capillaries for a combined distance of about 96,000 km to reach the nethermost points of the body multiple times. Very astonishing. During each visit, each red blood cell carries about 100 million oxygen molecules to supply the tissues with the oxygen needed for metabolism. Red blood cells or erythrocytes primarily carry oxygen and collect carbon dioxide through the use of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is an iron-containing protein that gives red blood cells their color and facilitates transportation of oxygen from lungs to tissues and carbon dioxide from tissues to the lungs for exhalation. In adults, about 144 million red blood cells are produced each minute. White blood cells or leukocytes are cells of the immune system that is involved in defending the body against both infectious diseases and foreign particles. Platelets are also known as thrombocytes. They are very small, irregularly shaped, clear cell fragments which derive from fragmentation of megakaryocytes. Platelets are involved in homeostasis, leading to the formation of blood clots. In 1 minute, a couple of trillion antibody molecules completes a highly technical and successful surveillance of the entire system. About 300 million cells die in 1 minute. Fortunately, replacements arrive immediately. During this 1 minute, about 60 million chemical reaction takes place just in the ribosomes alone. Ribosomes assemble in thousands around the endoplasmic reticulum. This leads to the synthesis of about 1,20,000 protein molecules. This is the significance of 1 minute. In human body, about 2220 billion chemical reaction takes place every minute. The lungs have 370 million or so alveoli that has a combined interior area of about 80 meters square. Alveoli are tiny air sacs at the ends of the bronchioles. A normal adult, the lungs weigh approximately 1000 grams. The lungs are a pair of spongy air-filled organs located on either side of the chest. In a minute, air moves in and sweeps out of the lungs about 25 times. In addition to all these important events, there is also a bunch of other random things that happen around the world in 1 minute. In 1 minute, 250 babies are born. 107 people die. Lightning strikes the earth 360 times. Out of 250 new births, 113 are born into poverty. 15 have birth defects. In 1 minute, in the earth, there are 5 earthquakes. In the United States, in 1 minute, 126,673 pounds of edible food is thrown. In addition to this, in the United States, 9,50,186 pounds of trash thrown away in the United States. In a minute, there are 9 new AIDS and HIV infections. So friends, these are some of the events that occur in 1 minute. For more updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel Sam Online Class. And also please give your comments. Your comments are very important to me. Thank you very much friends. See you again. Bye bye.